Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Going to take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. In this case, it's made by ESR. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. And you can get this case from Amazon. It's the ESR for Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra case, compatible with MagSafe. Now, this is a clear version. It says that it doesn't yellow. Here's some pics right here. You can see the different ones there. You've seen these types of cases before, but ESR makes good cases. Now they have different sizes for the other models, you know, the older model phones as well. This is one in $16.99. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get this. All right, here's the box right here. You got a picture of the case. You can get them in three colors there: black, black bumper, and a blue bumper as well. I got the clear version. Pretty simple boxing. Let's pull this out. You got an ESR card in the inside, and something else in there. Thank you card, I guess. How to care for the case. You don't need that. Let's put this to the side. Here's what the case looks like. Pretty clear. You can see through it. Soft TPU. You got bolstered corners right there. Everything ready for the camera to be covered. All right. Let's put the phone inside and see what it looks like. Now the case fits well, as you can see. You got plenty of lip on the front to protect the front, and the camera is well protected as well. You have these bolstered corners right there. You can see that everything lines up, you know, all the holes. It's pretty good. You got plenty of room there to get to everything. S Pen as well. No problem getting to that. Not much branding on here. You do have the ESR branding right there, but you got the MagSafe right there. And all of that works pretty well. We'll check out wireless charge in a minute. Okay, you got the regular wireless charger right here. Let's put it on and see what happens. All right, so it picks up wireless charge. You see the animation, real nice animation in One UI 7. You guys gonna love that. All right, we put it up standing up, so it picks it up there as well. Let's take it off. Let's put it on the side, see what happens. So it picks up wireless charge in every position. Let's check out the MagSafe and see how that works. Got a little magnetic charger right here. Oh, that's not the magnetic one. This is the magnetic one. All right, so it charges magnetically, no problem. Okay, that's the magnet right there. You see, magnetic charging works, no problem there. Pretty strong magnet as well. Okay, so that was a quick look at the ESR MagSafe case. Great case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get this. So if you got any questions, hit up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe by hitting the button down below. This is Lawman FJ, out.